Hello, now we are going to continue our last topic, which was polygons. Let's discuss about the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. We know that the sum of all three angles of a triangle is equal to 180. If you have to prove this, let's say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and this is angle 3. Now let me draw a parallel line to BC passing through A. Let this be a parallel line. Let these two are parallel. Now we know that this is a alternate interior angles, and we know that alternate interior angles are equal. So these two angles are equal, so this will be 2. In the same way, this sometimes it's called Z angle. So this angle is also equal to this one. So this is angle 3. Now angle 2, 1 and 3, they are on a straight line. So the sum of these angles is angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3. That is 180 degree. So the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180. Now this is a triangle made up of 3 lines. Now let's talk about a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is having 4 sides: 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the quadrilateral is having, we can divide it into 2 triangles, 1 and 2. So sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 2 triangles, because there are 2 triangles, 1 and 2. So sum will be 180 plus 180, that is 360. So sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral or any figure having 4 sides is called quadrilateral, is 360 degree. In the same way, let's have a pentagon. Pentagon is having 1, 2, 3, 4. It's having 5 sides, and we can divide it into 1, 2, 3 triangles. So 3 triangles means 180 times 3 is equal to 540. So this is very easy to know the sum of all interior angles of a polygon. You divide it into triangles, and if there are 2 triangles, the sum of all interior angles will be 360. If there are 3 triangles, the sum will be 540. As I told you, 3 sides having 1 triangle. So the sum of all interior angles will be 180, because there is 1 triangle. If there are 4 sides, there are 2 triangles, 1, 2, as I told you here. So it will be 180 times 2, that is 360 degree. If there are 5 sides, for the 5 sides there will be 180 times 3. If there are 9 sides, so there will be 7 triangles. So the sum of all interior angles of a polygon having 9 sides will be 180 multiplied, that will be 1260 degree. In the same way, if we have a polygon with 24 sides, so what will be the sum of all interior angles? So there will be a 23 triangles, so it will be 180 multiplied by 23. So that will be 4140 degree. This is the, what we have calculated is the sum of all interior angles of polygons having different sides. So now I think it's easy for you. For example, if I say there are 6 sides, so if it has 6 sides, there will be 4 triangles. So that will be 4 multiply 180. So if there are n sides, so sum of all interior angle will be n minus 2 multiplied by 180. This is a very important formula. Sometime to find the number of sides and sometime to find the sum of all interior angles of a triangle. In a polygon, these are called interior angles, and we extend one side. This is called exterior angle. So if there are 3 interior angles, there are 3 exterior angles. If there are 4 interior angles, there are 4 exterior angles. Now let's try to find out what will be the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a equilateral triangle, all sides equal, all angles equal, so all angles will be 60. So this angle will be, because this is a complete straight angle, 180 degree, this angle will be 120, this angle will be 120 degree, and this angle will also be 120 degree. So the sum of all 3 exterior angles of this triangle will be 120 plus 120 plus 120. So that is 360 degree. This we are talking in terms of a three-sided figure, three-sided polygon. Let's talk about the 4-sided polygon. Let's see, this is a rectangle, and we know that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. So this angle will be, because this is a straight line, making 180 degree. This is also a straight line making 180 degree. So this remaining angle will be 90. This will be 90. This angle is also 90, and this angle is also 90 degree. So we have 4 exterior angle. So the sum of all 4 angles will be 90 plus 90 plus 90 and plus 90 degree. So it will also be 360 degree. Let's talk about 5-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's extend it. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 interior angles. And the sum of all interior angles of a pentagon is 540. There are 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a regular polygon, means all sides are equal, all angles are equal. So each angle will be 108 degree. So what will be the value of this angle? This angle is 180 minus 108, that is 72 degree. So we have 5 angles of 72 degree. So the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon having 5-sided will be 72. We have to add 72 5 times, or we multiply 72 by 5. So this is 360. So now you can see here that if it is a 3-sided, the sum of exterior angle is 360. If it is a 4-sided, the sum of exterior angle is still 360, and if the figure is 5-sided, the sum of all exterior angle of a pentagon is 360. So we can say that if a polygon is 10-sided, then the sum of all exterior angle is 360. So it's irrespective of number of sides. Of a polygon, whether it is 3, 4, 5, 10 or whatever number, the sum will always be 360 degree. So sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degree. Now let's use the knowledge of sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360. We use this knowledge to solve the questions. For example, the question is, it's given this is a polygon, and the measurement of one of the exterior angle is 90 degree. This exterior angle is 90 degree. So how many sides of this polygon is having? We know that the sum of the all sides of a polygon is 360 and one angle is 90 degree. So this polygon is having 4 sides. Suppose a question is like this. A polygon is given, a regular polygon, and the exterior angle is given one of the exterior angle is 10 degree. So how many sides are there? So we have to find the number of sides. So we know that number of sides is equal to sum of all angles, that is exterior angle, divided by any angle, any given exterior angle. So now we know that the sum of all this, whatever number is there, it will be 360. And each exterior angle is 10 degree. So this polygon is having 36 sides. So if an exterior angle is given of a regular polygon and you have to tell how many sides are there, you divide 360 by the given angle and you will get the number of sides of a polygon. Now we have to find the value of an interior angle and the exterior angle of a regular polygon having 12 sides. Now we have 12 sides. So as I told you earlier, 12 side means how many triangles? 12 minus 2. So it will be having, so we have 10 triangles and the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So the total sum will be 1800 degree. That will be the, suppose this is a 12-sided figure, then the sum of all angles of a interior angles will be 180. And there are 12 sides, so there will be 12 angles. So the value of each interior angle will be, total sum is 1800, total angles will be 12. So if we divide 1800 by 12, so this, it comes 150 degree. So if I take just a side only, so this is 150, this is 150, so the total sum is 150 degree. So if a polygon is having 12 sides, then the value of the interior angle will be 150. Now what will be the exterior angle? So there are two methods. First method is exterior angle plus interior angle, sum will be 180. So if interior angle is 150 and the sum is 80, so exterior angle will be 30 degree. So that is the first method. Second method is, we know the sum of all angles, all exterior angles of a polygon is 360, irrespective of number of sides, whether sides are 3, 4, 5, 10 or whatever number is there, the sum will be 360. And it's a polygon with the 12 sides. So we divide it by 12. So it will be 30 degree. So either you solve it by this method or by this method. This, as you know very well, if this is 150, this angle will be 30 degree. That's all from the polygons, and in our next lesson we are going to learn about a special case of a polygon, that is a quadrilateral. That means four-sided figure in 2 dimensions. So till then, you try to solve more questions and don't forget to subscribe my channel.